Volcanoes are among the most powerful natural forces on Earth, shaping landscapes and influencing human history for thousands of years. They form when molten rock, called magma, rises from deep within the Earth and escapes through cracks or vents at the surface. When this magma erupts, it becomes lava, often accompanied by ash, gases, and explosive energy. Each volcano has its own unique structure, shaped by the type of lava it produces and the style of its eruptions. Some are quiet and steady, building broad mountains over time, while others erupt violently, reshaping entire regions in moments. Scientists classify volcanoes into several main types, each with distinct characteristics, behaviors, and risks. By studying these volcano types, we gain a deeper understanding of how our planet works and how people can live safely near these fiery giants. Let's explore the major types of volcanoes and their fascinating features, one by one. Shield volcano. Shield volcanoes are named for their broad, shield-like shape, which is created by layers of thin, fluid lava flowing out in all directions from a central vent. Unlike steep volcanoes, these giants have gentle slopes because the lava spreads far and wide before cooling. Their eruptions are generally non-explosive and less dangerous compared to other volcano types, but they can produce massive amounts of lava that reshape entire landscapes. Shield volcanoes are often found in places where tectonic plates move apart, or over hotspots deep in the Earth's mantle. One of the most famous examples is Mauna Loa in Hawaii, the largest volcano on Earth, which covers nearly half of the island. These volcanoes are crucial in creating new land and forming islands over time. While not as violent as others, their sheer size and constant activity make them powerful builders of the Earth's surface. Stratovolcano, composite volcano. Stratovolcanoes, also called composite volcanoes, are perhaps the most famous and iconic type of volcano. They are tall, steep-sided mountains, built from alternating layers of lava flows, ash, and volcanic rocks. Their eruptions can range from quiet lava flows to extremely explosive blasts, capable of destroying landscapes and affecting global climates. This explosive nature comes from the thick, sticky lava that traps gases, building pressure until it bursts violently. Famous stratovolcanoes include Mount Fuji in Japan, Mount Vesuvius in Italy, and Mount St. Helens in the United States. These volcanoes are often located along convergent plate boundaries, where one tectonic plate sinks beneath another, fueling powerful volcanic activity. Although dangerous, stratovolcanoes are also sources of fertile soil, supporting agriculture and human settlements nearby. Their dramatic beauty, combined with their destructive potential, makes them both awe-inspiring and threatening natural wonders that have shaped human civilizations throughout history. Cinder Cone Volcano. Cinder cone volcanoes are the simplest and smallest type of volcano, but they are no less fascinating. They are formed when lava fountains erupt from a single vent, spewing cinders, ash, and volcanic rocks into the air. These materials fall back down around the vent, creating a steep, cone-shaped hill that can rise quickly within a matter of months or years. Cinder cones usually have short lifespans, erupting once, or only a few times, before becoming dormant. Despite their smaller size, they can still produce powerful eruptions that leave lasting marks on the landscape. An excellent example is Paricutin in Mexico, which famously emerged in a farmer's field in 1943 and grew rapidly over the following years. Cinder cones may not tower like stratovolcanoes or spread wide like shield volcanoes, but their sudden appearance and unique growth make them striking reminders of Earth's fiery energy. Lava dome. Dome volcano. Lava domes form when thick, sticky lava erupts slowly from a vent but doesn't flow far. Instead of spreading out, this lava piles up near the vent, creating a rounded dome-like structure. Because the lava is so viscous, gases can build up underneath, leading to sudden and dangerous explosions if pressure is released violently. Lava domes often form inside the craters of larger volcanoes after major eruptions, acting almost like a plug sealing the vent. Over time, these domes can grow, collapse, and reform, constantly reshaping themselves. A well-known example is the lava dome that developed inside Mount St. Helens after its devastating eruption in 1980. Though they may look calm, lava domes can be unpredictable and hazardous, capable of producing deadly pyroclastic flows. They are powerful reminders that even smaller volcanic structures can carry great risks, influencing landscapes and communities in significant ways. Caldera volcanoes are some of the most dramatic and powerful volcanic formations on Earth. A caldera forms when a massive volcanic eruption empties the magma chamber beneath the volcano, causing the ground above to collapse inward. This creates a huge, basin-like depression that can stretch for many kilometers. Calderas are often associated with catastrophic eruptions, releasing enormous amounts of ash, lava, and gases that can alter climates and devastate entire regions. Over time, these depressions can fill with water, forming beautiful volcanic lakes, or give rise to new volcanic activity inside them. The Yellowstone caldera in the United States is a famous example, known for its geothermal features, like geysers and hot springs. Though calderas are rare, their eruptions are among the most destructive events on Earth. They remind us of the immense forces beneath the planet's crust and the scale of changes volcanoes can bring. Volcanoes come in many shapes and forms, each with its own character, dangers, and contributions to Earth's ever-changing surface. Shield volcanoes quietly build vast landscapes with their flowing lava, while stratovolcanoes tower dramatically, threatening explosive eruptions. Cinder cones show how quickly new landforms can rise, while lava domes demonstrate the unpredictable risks of thick, slow-moving lava. Calderas, on the other hand, reveal the planet's ability to unleash colossal events that reshape entire regions. Together, these volcano types highlight the diversity and power of Earth's geology. While they can bring destruction, volcanoes also create fertile soils, new land, and geothermal energy that sustain life and civilizations. Understanding their differences helps us respect their power and prepare for their challenges. In the end, volcanoes are both destroyers and creators, shaping the Earth in ways that remind us of the deep connection between fire, land, and life. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay inspired and keep going forward.